Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta.exchange. In fact, last Friday itself Nifty broke out, and then the last 5 trading session Nifty went up about 500 point and then came down by about 250 point. So half of the profit was wiped out in just one trading session, that was on Friday. So mainly because profit booking in Reliance Industries ahead of its results, and then Infosys. So Infosys fell nearly 10% when it came out with results last quarter also, and this quarter also Infosys has fallen about 10%. It fell 8%, then the previous day it fell 2%. So in 2 days it fell 10%. Bank Nifty, however, outperformed. So though Nifty was up only 1% last week, the Bank Nifty was up about 3%. So coming to this week, on Monday, the markets will react to Reliance, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank results. Reliance results are slightly lower than the expectation, and because of that, Reliance GDR is down by about 6%, but it was already down by about 3% on Friday, so another 2 to 3% it can fall. But however, there is no one-to-one correlation because the Reliance GDR used to trade with a premium. So that also we have to consider. And however, the results from ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank, they both seems to be good. But the point here is that, anyway, ICICI Bank was expected to declare good results. So they have declared the good results. So how much of that has been factored in the prices, that we do not know. And in fact, on Friday, I think ICICI Bank hit fresh 52-week high and also all-time high. I think ICICI Bank was trading near 1,000 rupees, and in fact slightly higher than 1,000 rupees before some slight profit booking came. But of course, Kotak Bank has shot up because of this MSCI rejig, but we do know. But for the last few quarters, the Kotak Bank did not perform well. It's because of this MSCI rejig that has shot up well. So we need to see how this Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank and Reliance will be behaving in the first 30 minutes. So first 30 minutes of the market is based on these 3 stocks. We have only 4 weeks for July expiry, 3 weeks gone. So we have only 1 more week. We have just only 4 trading sessions. But there are too many corporate results. The markets will be focusing on corporate results, and the stock-wise action will continue. I think nearly 20-25% of the Nifty 50 stocks will be declaring results in the coming week. Tata Steel, Asian Paints, Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, and Tata Motors, Tech Mahindra, Axis Bank, BPCL, Nestle, Bajaj Finserv, Larsen & Toubro, Cipla. It's a very, very long list of about 10 to 15 stocks that will be coming out with results this week. So L&T already shot up on Friday because of some huge order win, but the results will be coming this week. So overall, the last week will be more volatile, especially under these circumstances. So what are the circumstances? Number one, too many corporate results, and then Reliance, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank results, and then so market went to 20,000, then came back to 19,750. So now it will be interesting to see whether the Nifty will close above 20,000 this month or not. And markets will also be focusing on US Fed event. So US Fed meeting results will be there out by Wednesday night Indian time, but it is more or less factored in by the markets. So that is my understanding, because the Fed chairman has already announced that he will be going for 225 basis point hike. But then after his announcement, all the economic data came, so those data were better than expected. So market is expecting a 25 basis point hike and followed by some dovish comments. So that is the general expectation of the markets right now. And looking at the open interest, people are selling 19,800 put option also, people are selling 20,000 call option also, and so it is generally expected Nifty is likely to trade between 19,700 and 20,100 on the upper side. 20,000 itself is going to be difficult, but people who sold 19,700 put and 20,000 call, there will be some premium. So you add that premium, so that range can be another 50-60 points. So overall, the major trend is still up, and this is a fantastic rally. Usually the trend will change in 10 to 12 weeks, but this time this trend has continued for 16 weeks, and coming week will be the 17th week. So major trend is up. So the trend is your friend until it bends. So therefore maintain a bullish view, but at the same time, markets can correct at any time. Like even looking at the next month option, and people are selling safely 19,000 put option. So the first support is at 19,500. The second support is at 19,000. So that's why even in the month of August, 19,000 put option is seeing the huge open interest. So be ready for roller coaster ride, because now every day there is some expiry, and then every day there are like 3 or 4 corporate results, so all kinds of things. And Fed meeting will also have some impact. Overall, let us hope that 19,700 will be the support, but which is very close to Friday's closing of about 19,750. But since the markets are bullish, we can hope that 19,700 will become the support. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.